Join me as I dive deep into the wild world of Nasd stock and try to figure out what's really going on right now. Nasd stock has been making headlines lately, and for good reason. It's been a wild ride for investors, with the stock experiencing some pretty significant fluctuations. But what's behind all the movement? Is Nasd stock a buy, sell, or hold? The recent challenges facing Nasd stock have been tough to navigate. Market trends have been shifting rapidly, and Nasd stock hasn't been immune to the changes. One of the biggest issues has been the increasing competition in the industry, which has put pressure on Nasd stock's market share. This has led to some concerns among investors about the company's long-term prospects. Things got even tougher when Nasd stock announced its latest earnings report, which showed some disappointing numbers. The company's revenue was down, and its profit margins were squeezed. This led to a sharp decline in the stock price, leaving many investors wondering if they'd ever see their money again. The market has been unforgiving, and Nasd stock's struggles have been a major concern. The company's been working hard to turn things around, but it's an uphill battle. Nasd stock's got some major hurdles to overcome if it's going to get back on track. Can it do it? Only time will tell, but for now, investors are on edge. Investor sentiment has been mixed, to say the least. Some analysts are bullish on Nasd stock, citing its strong brand and loyal customer base. Others are bearish, pointing to the company's struggles in the competitive landscape. Recent news has only added to the uncertainty. There have been rumors of a potential merger, but nothing's been confirmed. The market analysis is also worth considering. Some experts say Nasd stock is undervalued, while others think it's overvalued. It's a tough call, but one thing's for sure, Nasd stock's got a lot of moving parts. The factors affecting Nasd stock are complex and multifaceted. It's not just about the company's financials, it's also about the industry trends in the overall market. The company's got a lot of work to do to regain investor confidence. So what's the most crucial moment or insight regarding Nasd stock's current trajectory and potential future? The answer lies in the company's ability to adapt and innovate. If Nasd stock can find a way to stay ahead of the curve, it might just have a chance to turn things around. The stock's been on a wild ride, but it could be a buying opportunity for brave investors. The next few months will be huge for Nasd stock. If the company can deliver on its promises, we might see a turnaround. The stock's future is uncertain, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be a bumpy ride. In summary, Nasd stock's got a lot going on right now. The company's facing challenges, but it's also got opportunities. If you've got thoughts on Nasd stock, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Check out my related videos for more insights, and thanks for watching.